Welcome to the StatTree video help module for package or library installation. To run tests on your data in Python, you may need to install a package from a programmer's repository such as GitHub. This can be accomplished with a simple command in Spyder. You first need to find a package that will run the needed program within Python for a given test. Most often, this requires a Google search. Once you have located the package in the repository, copy down the name of the package. In the Python terminal in Spyder, there are two command options for installing packages. The first option involves typing the command conda install package name at the Python prompt, where package name represents the name of the package. Hit enter. This package adding process takes some time. The second option involves typing the command pip install package name at the Python prompt, where package name represents the name of the package. Hit enter. This package adding process also takes some time. Pay attention to the terminal pane. Here will be displayed any messages, including errors if the package cannot be installed. The terminal may also output any recommendations for restarting the kernel. Your package is now in the Python environment, ready for use.